Welcome. In this video, we will continue our discussion in process strategy by discussing project management within operations management. What many don't realize is that you can get certified in project management. Although certification is by no means necessary to become a project manager, in an increasingly projectized world, professional certification ensures that project managers are ready to meet demands of projects across the globe. Often, you are eligible for a higher salary as well. In order to get certified, you must study and take an exam over information presented in the Project Management Body of Knowledge, or PMBOK for short. PMBOK contains a variety of different information regarding project management, including various basic definitions. While it is not within the confines of this particular video to go over all of the information presented in the PMBOK, we will briefly discuss specific parts, including basic definitions. Many individuals confuse projects with processes. However, while both are focused on specific objectives and also contain multiple activities, projects occur during a limited duration of time. The activities in projects are specific to tasks that must be completed within a certain natural order, called precedence relationships, and require resources. Another common term is project stakeholders, which are those individuals directly affected by the project at hand. These include customers or users, which are people involved in or affected by project activities, a project sponsor, which is a senior management role involving approving or supporting the allocation of resources for a project, defining its goals, and assessing the project's success after it is completed. There's also the project manager, who foresees the completion of the project. They determine the duties of the project team and ensure that the project activities are completed on time and within budget. The project team are the individuals who work toward the completion of the project directly under the project manager. The support staff are those individuals who work to provide functional support so that the project team can complete their duties. Depending on the context of the project, you might also require suppliers or even opponents. There are a variety of skills which are deemed important to project managers. Those include the ability to make sure tasks and activities in the project are completed on time and within budget. Also important are the appropriate technical and administrative credibility. Given the leadership requirements of project managers, it is also important for project managers to be good coaches and communicators, as well as have a sense of interpersonal and political sensitivity. These skills are important for a variety of reasons, but mainly because the reasons for why projects fail to begin with. Probably the biggest reasons projects fail is due to unrealistic due dates. This may be caused by too many changes or a lack of communication between the project team and the project manager. Another common reason why projects fail is due to a lack of funding resources. Unrealistic budgeting and deadlines can also negatively impact this common reason why projects fail. Due to these reasons, it's important for project managers and the project team to understand the project lifecycle. While there are variants, there are 5 main facets of the project lifecycle. First of all is identifying the problem. This is where the goals of the project are determined and understood. Then comes planning and budgeting, which is one of the longest facets in the project management cycle and requires a lot of time and consideration in order to avoid potential reasons why projects fail. Next is the actual execution of the activities planned for the project. Finally, after the execution is completed, comes to the closing of the project, in which the project manager finalizes a report detailing the results of the project and the lessons learned, as well as the recommendations for future projects. All the while, it is pertinent that both the project manager and the project team consistently monitor and control this process. Recall that one of the reasons why projects fail is due to unrealistic due dates. One of the ways in which project managers can reduce this potential conflict is through the critical path method. This is an approach to scheduling and controlling activities. The critical path is a sequence of activities that take the longest time and defines the total project completion time. You are only as fast as your bottleneck, which is basically the project task that takes the longest to complete. Congratulations, you have finished the end of this video. Continue on to learn more about project management, specifically critical path analysis.